everyone. Today our lecture is based for the HVAC ducting. Now in the Revit, HVAC functionalities you will find under the System tab. Under System tab you have duct is there, you have duct fittings, you have duct accessories, flexible duct, and you have air terminals. Now you have another option called fabrication, which we will not include it now. In the later part we will learn about this. Before explaining or before drawing any duct, I would like to explain there is a duct system which you will create a type of system which is supply air, return air, fresh air, etc. Now this you will find under the project browser. You will have families. Under the families you will have duct system, and duct system you have you can create your own duct systems. Just if you want to create a duct system exhaust air, just duplicate it. You can rename it like exhaust air type 1. Okay, now in the each duct systems, if you click the exhaust duct system, you have options like graphics, where you will create the graphical overrides for the duct systems. So which color you need, which type of line pattern you need, etc. You have materials, you have calculation type, like you have 4 options: flow only, which calculate only the flow rate. This I will explain you later, how to create the flow, how to create the performance, I will explain you later. There is none options and the performance options. Now you have options like abbreviations, descriptions. This you will explain you how can you utilize this factors like abbreviations for annotations, descriptions, how you will utilize it. I will explain you later. Now there is slash, means that if you draw a duct, you can see a rise and drop. So in Revit, in representation and in a sheet, you should have which type of slash in your system. Now this same you can apply to all of them. You can apply fresh air, crosshair, like that. Now if you go to supply, you can apply the same, you can apply the properties and all of this. So the next, now that we explain, this is the duct systems. Now how you will create a new duct in the system. The new duct you will create it in Revit. There are 3 different shapes of duct. One is oval duct, rectangular duct, round duct. You want to create a duct under these system families. This is a system family. Now you can create any type you want. Say here I created, say, supply ducting. Just duplicate this. You can create any type. So supplier ducting is there. In the each ducting you have a roughness factor. This value is important only for the pressure drop calculation. Normally this value for GI duct is 0.15. Now you have a routing preferences. In the routing preferences, that is now in the routing preferences you have type of elbow. When you draw a duct, the type of elbow used will be decided based on the routing preferences. Then preferred junctions are there. Then you will have cross sections, transitions. You can fill this one. You can select whatever you need. This also I will explain when I will start drawing a duct, or when I will start drawing a sample. Then you will more understandable this. Now you have a duct size. Now you can add your whatever required duct size here. Say if I need 50, you add 50. Simple. Now you have this one. You can delete the duct size also in the same case. Now you know how to create a duct. So the next lessons I will explain you about duct terminals, accessories, linings and all of this. Okay, thank you, thanks for the lecture classes.